Hello, my name is Sagar Khatri and my UNIC ID number is 1640057. Today I am here to present the demo video part of CSY3021 Wireless and Advanced Network Technologies Assignment 1. The assignment was to design a network topology in Packet Tracer version 7.2, but as I found bug in Packet Tracer version 7.2, so I used Packet Tracer version 7.1.1 to design my network topology. The assignment was to simply make connect between London office, London headquarter office to Northampton branch office with the use of route optimizations, firewall, and VPN. Some of the core implementations done in the tasks are network designing, office planning and floor planning, IP planning, switch network planning, route network planning, and use of EGP and IGP. BGP was used as EGP while connecting between ISP1 and ISP2, and similarly OSPF and EIGRP are used as IGP in both offices. Now I like to show the physical topology, physical diagram of my network. This is a physical diagram, and this is headquarter office, this is headquarter building. You can see the difference in building design from previous year, because it was mentioned in the assignment brief to shift the finance, human research and development department from London to Northampton, and I has done as similar. And now let's move to Northampton office. This is my main building where OSPF was configured. This is my top building, and this is my bottom building in which EIGRP were configured as IGP. Main building. You can see there are different departments. Add allocate different department in all three buildings. This is bottom building, and this is top building. Now let's again come back to physical logical diagram. You can see this London office is directly connected with ISP1 network, ISP1 router, and this Northampton is connected with ISP2. London office resides in areas number 65001 with private IP 172.17.0.0, whereas Northampton office resides in AS number 65002 with root IP private IP 172.20.0.0. GRE over IPsec tunneling was configured in between London and Northampton in order to connect London office and Northampton office through internet or through BGP. Its frame relay was also configured in between them, as which act as a backup for the connection. You can see there are VPN. This laptop was used as a VPN client. Now I'd like to show the communication of VPN. Look, this already configured VPN was already configured, and now you can successfully ping to internal network of London. This was 172.17.1.6 is internal network of London. Look, the reply was coming from there. So in order to show the working of VPN, I would like to disconnect from here. It says VPN is disconnected. So now let's again ping to internal network. The ping should be fail. Look, it said destination on disable, means the ping was fail. Now let's move to Northampton office. These are Northampton office. These are edge router. This is our firewall. Basically, this was a router firewall, router zone based firewall configured in them. It sits between outside network and inside network in order to make the internal network not accessible from outside network. This is our main building where OSPF was configured as IGP, and this is our upper building or main building, side building, where EIGRP was configured. And similarly, this is our lower building where also EIGRP was configured. As there was a different IGP configured, means EIGRP and in side building and OSPF in main building. So in order to communicate between two differently connected IGP, we should have to make router redistribution. So here router redistribution was configured in this redistribution router. So in order to communicate from all three buildings. So I would like to show the working of router redistribution by simply communicating from this OSPF communicator network like this. The SP ping, this IP is 172.20.0.5, and the IP of this side building is customer service department is 172. Let's ping from here to main building. Ping 172.120.0.5. The ping should be successful. Look, it says reply coming from main building. It means that router is not successfully working. Here Facebook and YouTube was blocked for finance department. You can see the finance department inside building. Let's access from here. Facebook.com. The reply is not coming. But from research and development, if you ping to Facebook.com, the reply is coming. Means the Facebook and YouTube was banned for finance by it was due to the firewall. Here Facebook and YouTube access was not given to finance department using firewall. And similarly, you can find the use of null route and ISP1 and ISP2 router as inter autonomous system routing optimization. Policy map as does not support packet tracer, so it was not configured. In intra autonomous system routing optimization, you can see the use of router redistribution, static routing in this router in this MLS. Default routing are also configured in all this distribution layer, distribution layer, and also their passive interface configured in dist-m and dist-m2 of all department of all three buildings. VoIP was configured. I would like to show the working of VIP in different buildings. This is sales IP phone, and I like to also open the reception IP phone. Just call from here to number 7.3 sales 03. Successful configured. VIP phone also successfully configured. Now let's ping from this department, this sales department, to our London office sales department, which IP is 172.17.1.6 17.1.6 ping from here. It should ping, means reply is coming, means they are successfully configured of BGP or simply IPsec over GRE tunnel. So just ping us. So this was my topology, and in this video I have covered most of the thing which I have configured in my network. So this much. Thanks.